Let's get started with the new QHuman version 1.0.9. Before we begin, click on the settings icon and verify that mouse clicks under record is checked. This setting ensures the app records clicks. If it's unchecked, nothing will be recorded. Keep in mind that we're using the free version for this example, so all new features are locked. But don't worry, all free features from previous versions are still available. To return to the simple click page, click the mouse icon in the sidebar. Next, select Record Event. This will open the trackpath window. We're going to record 3 button clicks, a left click, a middle click, and a right click. Now, click Complete. You will now see a sequence in the sequence editor. For this example, I'm using a mouse test tool. I'll refresh the window so you can visually see the buttons being pressed. To view the sequence, right-click on the sequence and select View, or click the Action Editor tab at the top. Here, you can see all the action data. A quick note, you can collapse a window by dragging it to the edge, and you can uncollapse it by pulling from that edge. This feature replaces the detachable windows. Since this is a getting started video, we won't change anything here. Return to the sequence editor by clicking the tab at the top. Now that we've created a sequence, let's run it by selecting Run All Events. You'll see all the mouse actions from your sequence replayed. We can visually identify this with the mouse test tool. Just a quick heads up. The previous stop key, Escape, has now been replaced with Shift+Q. You can check this out in the settings under Hotkeys. For our pro users, you can customize it however you like. Let's update the sequence with some data. Click the sequence notes cell and type test click. Next, pop into the action editor. Find the notes section and type click 1 for some sample data. Just a heads up. At the time of this video, there's a bit of a conflict between the experimental hotkeys and regular typing. Be cautious when using the Shift key, as it could accidentally trigger a hotkey. This issue will be sorted in the next update. Let's save the sequence. Select the sequence, right-click, and then select Save. Name it Test Mouse Buttons. If you have a look in the Saves tab at the bottom, you'll now see the new save with its created and modified dates. To load this save, right-click the save and select Upload, or scroll to the right and click the Upload button. You can see that the data was retained, and this is also reflected in the action editor. To rename a save, right-click the save and select Rename. I'll type Renamed at the end of the save name. You can delete sequences in the editor by right-clicking and selecting Delete, pressing the Delete key, or scrolling to the right and pressing the Delete button. The same options work for saves as well. Fantastic! You've completed the Getting Started video for QHuman version 1.0.9. There'll be more tutorials coming your way soon, so don't forget to subscribe. And if you'd like to connect with the developer and other users, join our Discord community. It's a great space to share ideas and ask questions. See you next time.